Okay, to here. Please choose your answer, check the box. Okay, please choose your answer and check a box. Example, in 10 years, I'll be, you check school, university, or at work. Okay, please chat. Okay, please try to check on me. If in 10 years, if you will be 20 years old, you will be in school, university, or at work. You check one, only one. Okay, answer now. Okay, number 6. Okay. So in 10 years from now, I'll be at school. Okay. I won't have any money. Oh, really? In 10 years, you don't have any money? I may have a huge castle. Oh, you're living in a castle? And I live in another city. And I will be single, not married. I might be a what? Okay, a doctor someday. Okay. You will be a doctor someday. Okay, so here, in part 3, we have listening here. Please listen. Okay, what will Mrs. Kind give to each of her friends? So we have here the friends of Mrs. Kind. See, George, Alex, Michael, Sarah, and Robert. They are Mrs. Kind friends. So these are the things that Mrs. Kind will going to. Okay, these are the things that Mrs. Kind will going to answer or going to give. Okay, I will play.
47D. I will, or perhaps I won't. Listen and look. There is one example. Helen's mum, Mrs. Kind, wants to give each of her friends a present. Which present is for each friend?
I like giving presents, Helen. It's such a nice thing to do. But I have to decide which present to give each of my friends.
But it isn't their birthdays.
I know it isn't, but I still like giving presents.
Well, what are you going to give Grace?
Let me think. She loves travelling, so this new backpack, I think. She can carry all her things in it on long journeys.
Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
You write the letter. Okay,
Who
in the
else
box.
are you giving a present to?
Do you remember Robert, the mechanic? He gave us lots of help last month when we were worried about our car.
Yes, I remember.
Well, he'll like these gloves. Yes, I'll give him these. They'll be good for carrying all those heavy engine parts. And this is for Alex. She'll like this a lot.
What is it? I can't see.
It's a box of very expensive tea. She likes having things that you can't buy in this country. I bought this online. I got these spoons at the same time, but I'll give those to someone else. They came from China.
Amazing.
And now a present for George. Actually, he might like these golf balls. Or shall I give him this computer mouse?
He won't want that, Mum. Your first idea is better. Give him those instead.
You're right. He's improving a lot because he plays every weekend now. And this is for Michael.
Who's he?
Oh, he's an old friend. I want to give him this wonderful honey because he's such a busy man. He's always working on his computer, and it'll be really good for him. He'll like the taste of it too.
So he'll like that more than a new watch, Mum?
Yes, I'm sure he will. And last of all, here's something for Sarah.
Oh, the silver spoons.
Yes, she's buying things to put in her new kitchen, and I'm sure she'll really love these.
Can't I have them?
No, you won't ever use them.
Oh, okay.
the correct letter under the correct answer. Okay, do you have the answer? Okay, so here we have, okay, Robert wants the gloves and Alex wants the tea. Another George wants the, okay, a ball. And of course, Michael wants the honey. And the last one, Sarah wants the spoon. Okay, it's from China. Okay, so Kate, we don't have enough time. Teacher Anne has another class. Okay, I will see you on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, Kate. I will see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.